Hi guys, welcome to a new lecture on XHTML and CSS. This lecture will introduce you to tables. Now, tables are used for several elements or several sections on a web page. In the old days, we used tables to create the full layout of a web page. That is not recommended anymore. So tables are now created to show several different little sections on a web page. So let's start and create our first simple table. Let's open our Notepad++ and let's go to the index.html page. And in here, we're going to create first table. So the first thing you should do is create the table tag and close it down here with the closing tag. So it has an opening tag and a closing tag. Now between the table tags, let me indent this. Now between the table tags, we type the TR and close TR. The TR tags stands for table row. Now if we want two table rows, let's create another TR and close the TR. Okay. Make sure you have as many TR tags as the rows you want. So I want 3 rows. Let me just type here again TR, close TR. Now inside the TR tags, let's type, let me push this, TD tag and close TD tag, which stands for table data, which basically will create a new cell, okay, or new space or square. Let me close this. So we will have 3 table rows, and each row will have 2 table data or cells, okay. Let me go down here and create table data and close table data and table data and close table data. Now in here, let us type cell 1, okay, and also row 1, okay, and make sure you have border equals and you type 1 pixel here, okay, and save this. Before we open this in Chrome, let me just take the H2 and H1 out of here, clean the body section so we can only have table. Run now this in Chrome. Now here you can find the table, okay, with 1 pixel border, as you can see, but the cells don't have many information on it. So let's complete the table with content. And here we can type row 1, cell 2, and here row 2, cell 1, and row 2, cell 2, row 3, cell 1, and row 3, cell 2. Save this. Let me reopen this and refresh, and there it is. Okay, so now we have our table complete with every single cell with content and text. Okay, let me show you how you can put, let's say, a more presentable table. Let's go back to Notepad++ and type, for example, here top, we're going to type cars and here we're going to type fruits and save this. Here let me just type for example Ferrari, and here I have to type some fruit, banana, and here I can type for example Mercedes, and here let me type oranges. Let me open this now in Chrome, and there it is. Okay, so this is how we create a table. We have 2 columns and 3 rows. The first row we have cars and fruits, and we can still put this, let me put a B here for bold. You guys remember this tag. And here let's close this, bold. And if we open this and refresh it, there it is. Okay, nice and very clean table that we can create. You can still add more columns or more rows if you want to, and try yourself how to include more information on this table. Okay guys, there's also a way to create now another row that will cover all the columns. Okay, to do that we typed here the call span 2. Okay, we can also span a whole column. So I just show you how to span 2 columns, and now I'm going to show you how you can span 2 cells. Just delete the banana and oranges. Okay, just leave Ferrari and Mercedes, and after Ferrari you're gonna type this TD row span 2, and here let's type it works. Okay, so this will span 2 cells. Okay, as you will see. Let me just run this in Chrome, and this is the result. Okay, so this is how you can have a column with 2 cells and the other column with only 1. So now I'm going to show you a very useful property that we will see a lot during the construction or the creation of tables, which is the cell padding. And let's give it a value of 15 pixels and save this. And now let's run this in Chrome. So as you can see, we have a padding between the content or the text inside a cell and the outer border of the cell. Okay, so we have a pattern of 15 pixels all around the border between the text or the content and the border of the cell itself. Okay, let's try and put it a little bit more, like 25 pixels, and see the difference. Refresh it, and there it is. Okay, now there's also another one which is called the cell spacing. So let's turn back. Cell spacing equals, let's give it a 10 pixel. Now let's run this in Chrome. Now cell spacing, as you can see, is the space that you want to give between each cell. Okay, so we gave 10 pixel of space between each cell, and as you can see, if we try to give it a little bit more, like for example 20 pixels, each cell we will have 20 pixel space between each other, and there it is. Okay, so these are very common in tables, these properties of cell spacing and cell padding. And this is it for now, and see you in the next video.